You know the value of window film, how it decreases heat in the summer and keeps interiors warm in the winter, how it protects interior furnishings from fading, provides security and privacy, mitigates health risks, and saves on energy costs. To one degree or another, all window films promise these things. But not all promise the problem-solving decorative potential of Sunscape window films by Madico, delivering aesthetics and quality to beautify homes in ways discerning homeowners love. By blocking up to 99% of UV rays, Sunscape window films are incredibly effective at cutting glare, which can cause eye strain and negatively impact the quality of natural light in a home or office. And when demonstrating using a Sunscape sales meter kit, these films provide pleasing style to any home or office. The aesthetics are where our films stand out. The practical arguments are there, but even more, the beauty Sunscape brings to homes and offices is without comparison, which is why Madico U suggests you strongly impress upon property owners how the style and high-end quality of our films can bring additional value to a home or office. And while we're on the subject of aesthetics, consider too that our window films can be used to, let's say, hide less desirable scenery outside of office buildings, and can be used to define interior open spaces, creating privacy on glass walls without blocking light. Dive deep into the outstanding qualities of Sunscape films to educate your customers and boost your business. For more information, check the download content that accompanies this video.